everyone! We're gonna make some chocolate chip cookies today. We got everything ready, all forms, so Adriaan can make some nice looking cookies. We're gonna have butter, sugar, flour, egg, salt and baking soda, all to get very nice cookies. Are you ready, Adriaan? And with the butter, we're gonna put the sugar. Are you gonna help Mummy? Put the sugar in there. Wow. Well done!
Very good.
We're just going to put a little bit of salt. Little bit of salt. That's it.
Yeah.
So, and then we're going to mix everything together. So we're going to get the mixer. Are you going to help Mummy? Hold on to the mixer. Ready? There we go. Look at that going. So, it's all been mixed very nice together. What are we going to put through it next to?
No.
We're going to put the egg in there?
Drink?
No, it's not a drink. Put the egg in there. Oh, there we go. One egg. And then we're going to mix that together. Are you going to help Mummy again? Hold on for Mummy. Well done. So, when that is all mixed together, we need to put a little bit of baking soda. So just a little bit. No, not too much. So that's enough.
Very good.
That's enough.
Yeah.
And then we're going to put the flour.
Wow, so much flour, yeah?
Well done.
Very good.
Let's get it mixing again.
Now we mix again
Ready?
with Mommy, yeah?
So.
Go.
Nice and clean, yeah?
Done.
Yeah. Wow.
Chocolate in there.
Wow, this one is your favorite, yeah?
Wow. Let's all get it mixed together.
Looks so yummy, yeah?
Maybe Mummy's going to mix it with her hands because it doesn't look like it goes right.
Want one chocolate? And now? No? Okay,
Ready?
now we put back, yeah?
There we go. Mummy's going to mix it all together.
Now we make it cold.
So much chocolate. Yeah, chocolate.
Looks so yummy, yeah? Yeah.
Oh.
Lion, yeah? Wow.
So, let's put a little bit of baking paper on the table. That's a lion. Are you going to make lion cookies?
Wow.
Which one do you want? Shall we try the lion first?
A
Gonna put the
lion?
lion on there?
A lion here, yeah?
Over there? You're going to push it?
You push,
Use your
yeah?
hands. Going to push like that.
Mommy can do it, yeah? Uh-oh.
Look at that. And we're going to take all the cookie from around. And then we're going to end up with a very nice lion cookie. Good. Look at that. We're going to have a lion cookie. That's fine.
That's lion cookie, yeah?
Lion cookie. Make another one.
Now we'll start.
Want to make a star?
Little star, yeah?
Yeah. You want to make another star? Yeah. Give that one another try in a minute. Another star? That's a very big one. Let's first get the small star. Put it on there.
Well,
Let's make an elephant.
maybe elephant now.
Shall we
yeah?
make an elephant?
So make elephant. Give to mommy, yeah?
Put it on there.
Yeah. You can do
Well
elephant.
done.
Yeah? Well,
Let's put the elephant first.
first elephant.
1,
yeah?
2. Come on.
Oops.
1, 2.
First elephant. Yeah. Now elephant, yeah? Elephant looks
Almost.
so nice,
Almost.
yeah?
Let's
Yeah.
take the elephant away first.
Wow. 2 legs, yeah? Very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, now can be monster, yeah?
Elephant cookie.
Wow. You look so cool, yeah?
Shall we make a giraffe? A giraffe. That's that
yeah.
one.
Wow, it's so tall, yeah?
That's very nice. A giraffe.
Yeah?
Ready to make a giraffe?
Yeah, you push in. Yeah.
Put on there.
Wow.
Make a giraffe cookie.
Nice and tall, yeah?
Like that.
Now mommy can do it, yeah? Up. You're a lion again?
You
Yeah.
want another lion?
You like lions, yeah? Yeah.
We're gonna have so many lion cookies then.
Monster, yeah? Huge star, yeah?
So yeah,
Wow, this one is very nice.
bigger
yeah?
star. That's even bigger than this one.
Wow.
But I think we're not gonna have any space anymore for now. Shall we first put all of these cookies in? And then we can make even more later. Yeah? Yeah.
Yeah.
Until 20 minutes. You need to make sure that you keep enough distance between them, else they're going to be one big cookie. Adriaan has eaten them with some cream, because he really enjoys cream. We're going to put the recipe into the description if you like to make them yourselves. Gonna say bye-bye now to everyone and enjoy your cookie.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.